Eyecare Nursing Oil Serum with Dropper. Follow our recipe to make a truly economical and effective home care eye serum. For the end result, we recommend to you our excellent dropper with a capacity of 15 milliliters, especially for the precise dosing of cosmetic products. Number 1. All tools must be perfectly clean before you begin. You will need a 50 milliliter measuring cup. 2. Measure out the following oils: 30 drops of wild rose oil, 40 drops of evening primrose oil, 110 drops of jojoba oil, and 30 drops of argan oil. 3. Mix the ingredients thoroughly. 4. Pour it in a container of your choice. For example, a pipette bottle is perfect for easy use. Drop 3 to 4 drops of the oil on your fingers and massage it onto your eyebrows with fine movements. Always pour oil on wet skin and be careful not to get it into your eyes. If you wear false eyelashes, this kind of eye care will not be good for you because the oils will get the false eyelashes to separate. You can find the ingredients and the dropper in the All-In Packaging web shop.